If you are seeing this face for the first time and you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome to Winwere Barino's channel. Okay. My channel is about business, purely business education, financial hacks. So be sure you subscribe to be getting some kind of videos like this. All right. Now there's something I want to let you guys know. If you are doing a business, you are selling something. Business mostly is always trying to trade one thing for another. You are trading one thing for another. Okay. You see this virtue, take it from me, you can never buy it anywhere. You cannot buy it anywhere, and that virtue is called patience. You have to be patient with yourself, you have to be patient with your customers, you have to be patient with the business you are doing itself. If you don't have patience, you might end up making a lot of wrong decisions. Trust me. Have you ever seen a situation? Most of the times we enter into an eatery, or let's say a company or any sales organization, and then we are attended to by the sales personnel or whoever that is in charge. Okay. And they attend to us as if they worship you, they are worshiping you. And then, have you ever wondered how they feel or how other persons react to them? My dear, it's not really easy. Most people react to customers as into people they are buying things from. Like, customers react as if they want to customer react to them as if they are riffraffs. Okay. Most customers does not really have manners when it comes to relating with those they are buying things from. They don't have manners. They'll react to you like in fact, some will abuse you. But in the business world, we always say, even if no matter what, the customers are always right, so we tend to always treat them as always right. So patience is the only thing that you can use, that can serve as a virtue to escape whatever kind of reaction that might have ensued in that moment, to save that customer. Okay. So in fact, if you are a customer, everyone is a customer, and everyone have businesses too. As long as you trade one thing for another, you have a business. One thing I advise you is you try to treat people the way you want to be treated. Most customers see those doing the same business as in any other business, like people that walk into an eatery. Most customers sees them as beggars. Okay. Meanwhile, those people, most of them might even have more better and fatter account than them. But because the occupation is a bit low, there's the way they treat them. You don't treat. This serves as a kind of an advice to everyone out there. Whenever you go out there and then you happen to come across some people selling one or two things to you, you just have to be polite, be matured. I know some of them are very rude. Some salespersons are very rude. Some are nice, and some customers that buy things too are very nice. Some also give tips, which is very good too. But the majority of customers are always they always treat salesperson like a riffraff, like they ask them questions and while looking down on them, or that's very wrong. It's a very wrong kind of thing. And if you are a salesperson and you are treating your buyers like When I mean salesperson, whatever you have at hand to sell, okay, it automatically makes you a salesperson. Even if you are a boss in your company, definitely you are selling something, either a service or a product. So it automatically makes you a salesperson. So whatever you are selling to any person, you just have to be looking at that person that want to buy that thing from you from the angle of being the boss. Okay, if you want somebody to patronize you and you're already feeling like you're the boss on top of that thing, and already nobody will patronize you. In fact, you your attitude will automatically chase the customer away. You have to make them feel like, you have to make the customer feel like they are in charge, like you are just there for them. You see, do you remember that you almost have an account, and I don't know if all banks treat somebody like that, but have you ever been to the bank and some of these nice customer care service personnel attend to you? They are so nice. It'll be like, we are here for you, sir. What do we do for you, sir? They'll call you by your first name, even if you're not giving them anything. Even if you go there 10 times, they'll always treat you like that. So what I'm saying in essence is, whichever way, the major point here, the crux of the matter here, is that the way that sales personnel are being treated is not really fair, and we all should repent from that. Okay, and if you are doing business as a person, if you are doing business, you're automatically a sales personnel, because you are going to market your product to somebody. So you have to learn how to be patient with your customer. So the message is vice versa. So in either way, just learn your lesson, and okay, it will help you. Thank you.